Hey guys, I'm at the market and I'm on the hunt for some fresh baby aubergines for my sweet soy silky aubergines in Claypot. Let's go. I'm Ching, a TV chef and food writer. To celebrate Veganuary this year, Ching-He have challenged me to create some mouth-watering plant-based meals. So join me as I seek out the freshest produce and combine it with Ching-He's famous flavor-packed sauces to make something truly veglicious. Here they are, baby aubergines. So when you're shopping for aubergines, you want a lovely, smooth, shiny skin. You want them to be nice and plump, a little bit heavy, lovely green stalk. Now I love aubergines. They're full of goodness, really full of vitamin E, great for the skin. These are going to provide a lovely silky texture in my sweet soy silky aubergines in Claypot. So for my sweet soy silky aubergines in Claypot, I've got these beautiful baby aubergines. So the first thing I want to do is to get rid of the tops and slice them into finger-sized strips. So just slice them in half and then slice them in half again. So I've got here 2 cloves of garlic, finely chop them. Next, I want a 1-inch piece of fresh root ginger. So just a quick grate. Perfect. And then a chili. So just slice the chilies into finely chopped pieces. Next, I've got here some smoked tofu. Now this is smoked firm tofu and you can get this in all the supermarkets. I want to slice it into little small cubes and it's going to be lovely against the silky soft aubergine. Okay, so now my fresh ingredients are all prepped. It's time to wok. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of rapeseed oil and then I'm going to add in all my aubergines. I'm just going to add small drops of water to help create some steam, just to soften them. So just give them a stir. And if all the water's evaporated, just add a little bit more water. They're turning this deep purple color. That's looking good. Slide them onto a plate. Just keep the wok hot. Another tablespoon of rapeseed oil. I'm going to add my aromatics. Give that a quick stir. Very quickly, I'm going to add in my smoked tofu cubes. At this stage, I'm going to add my aubergines back in and then just wok fry them together. Now it's time for some seasoning. So I want Ching-He's soybean sauce. I need 1 tablespoon. It's salty, it's savory, and it's just so delicious. Now at this stage, I'm going to add in a tablespoon of Shaoxing rice wine. Next, I want Ching-He's sweet soy sauce. It's going to be savory and sweet, and it adds this deep, rich, dark color too. So I've got here some stock. I'm going to just mix it with corn flour. Pour that in. I'm going to bring that to the bubble. And that corn flour vegetable stock has just given the sauce a lovely deep shine. I'm just going to finely chop some chives. Just give that a good sprinkle. And then last but not least, Ching-He's pure sesame oil, a little nutty aroma. And I'm going to serve that with some delicious jasmine rice. And another fresh sprinkling on top. That is my sweet soy silky aubergines in a Claypot.